The Indian ports, shipping and waterways industry plays a vital role in sustaining growth in the country's trade and commerce. India is the 16th largest maritime country in the world with a coastline of about 7,517 kilometers. India has 12 major and 205 notified minor and intermediate ports, and around 95% of India's trading by volume and 70% by value is done through maritime transport. To explore the potential business opportunities in Indian maritime sector and to provide a powerful platform for international collaboration and bring in partner countries for mutual exchange of knowledge and opportunities, we welcome you to the second edition of Maritime India Summit 2021, which is being organized by Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India, jointly with FICCI as industry partner and EY as knowledge partner. On the website www.maritimeindiasummit.in, one would find different options which would provide the insight to this mega event. Under Maritime India Summit 2021, you will find information about the organizers, the show and the event components. Click on Conference to find the conference agenda for all 3 days. After clicking on Exhibition, you will find a complete exhibitor profile for the ease of buyers and visitors. Click on Visitors to find the complete visitor list. Under the registration drop-down, the exhibitors and visitors would find forms for registration and submission. The guidelines will guide both the exhibitor and visitor to complete their registration and to access the virtual convention center. To know more about the maritime sector, click on Sector Overview and Investment Opportunities. For any queries or concerns, please visit our FAQs page. You can also find all contact names and details for any further assistance. The Maritime India Summit 2021 will be virtually organized on FICCI Bike, which is a self-developed virtual portal for business, information, knowledge and education. Click on Info for general information. Exhibitors, delegates and visitors can use their login credentials to access the virtual convention center. On reaching the convention center, you will find the various options which will guide you to navigate the entire exhibition area. At the information counter, you can reach out to our representative for any support. Real-time answers will be provided during the summit. Click on Info, and under the Profile drop-down, you will find the detailed 3-day agenda with complete detailing of each session and program. You will also find the event brochure and the name and contact details of our team member for any assistance. Click on Pavilions to reach various pavilions. Click on one of the pavilion to reach the exhibition area. On the left-hand side, you will find the Feedback tab and the Social Media tab to upload the various social media details. On the right-hand side are tabs for downloads to download various agendas, the image gallery and the video gallery. The option for text chat and video call is also available. You can also exchange your business card and know the login status for further interaction. Click on the exhibition to go to the exhibition hall. Click on one of the stalls to reach the exhibition area. Once on a stall, the visitor can view the exhibitor's schedule, documents, product images and videos. You can interact through audio video call or text chat and also exchange your business card with the exhibitor. The exhibitors and participating companies can upload documents like company profile, product images and brochures, etc. They can also upload their fascia name, posters and videos. Social media handles can also be uploaded on each booth and pavilions. For any assistance required, dedicated team will be there to assist. Detailed guidelines for uploading information and documents in booth and pavilion will also be shared with each company. Click on Auditorium to reach various seminar halls. Visitors can access the auditorium hall and experience live webinars and pre-recorded sessions. One can find the agenda and Q&A links on the left and right side of the screen. The networking lounge will offer a variety of options that allow you to meet and collaborate with attendees throughout the day. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can find the visitors and buyers list with their business profile and product interest. You can exchange your business card with them. Follow the Maritime India Summit 2021 on social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube and Instagram. Thank you. Please visit us again.